Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to use Canva to create blog posts and documents. Canva is free online design tool that anyone can use even if they don't have any design experience at all. With the help of Canva, you can create a great document and you can also use it to writing great blog posts. So this is our document and look at this document. You can use charts, bullets, images and other elements in document. This makes the document looks more attractive. In addition to templates, Canva also has a library of millions of images, graphics and fonts that you can use in your designs. And if you need to add your own images, Canva makes it easy to upload them from your computer or even mobile phone. You can use fonts. Look at this. Choose fonts is per your choice or convenience. Canva is an awesome software that makes design accessible to everyone. Its drag and drop interface is easy to use even for beginners, and its wide variety of templates and resources make it easy to create stunning design without any prior experience. I especially appreciate the fact that Canva offers actually a free plan that gives you access to all the important features of its platform. Overall, I highly recommend Canva to anyone who needs to create professional looking designs.